In our last video, we covered typical mistakes software developers make when writing code or building software. These mistakes often arise from improper coding styles, untestable code, etc., etc. Today, we'll look at two fundamental principles in computer science or software engineering that can help you prevent these mistakes and help you write good and maintainable code, being coupling and cohesion. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samuel Nete, and on this channel, we talk about coding tips and tricks, software architecture, and helping you take your software development career to the next level. Coupling and cohesion are two essential principles in software development. They are crucial when designing distributed systems or building any application architecture. In this video, we'll break down these terms and how they influence the way you should structure your code. We'll explore how low coupling and high cohesion are desirable and how following these principles can help you create more scalable and maintainable applications. Let's start with coupling. When two components are strongly coupled, it means they depend heavily on each other. One common example is internal knowledge coupling, where a component A needs to know the details of another component to function properly. This often leads to problems, especially when writing tests, where you might resort to white box testing, looking into the internals of a module to be able to test another module. Let me give you an example. So let's say you have a component A and another component B, and you want to test component A. You will not be able to test component A without knowing the internals of component B. That there is an indication that your code is tightly coupled and thus making your testing a bit cumbersome. Ideally, you want to decouple these components so that changes in one don't really or directly affect the other. Low coupling allows for easier maintenance and makes your systems more robust by limiting the impacts of changes. Now let's discuss cohesion. Cohesion refers to how closely related responsibilities within a module are. A high cohesive module does one thing and does it very well. This concept is closely tied into the single responsibility principle, one of the solid principles of object-oriented programming. When cohesion is low, you often see repeated code or responsibilities scattered across different components, violating against the don't repeat yourself principle, another principle when it comes to software development. Now, following these principles is crucial. High cohesion makes your code base more modular and focused, while low coupling allows for greater flexibility and reusability. Whether at the class, function, or even service level, these principles apply universally. Even if you are connecting apps, you should strive for decoupled communication, whether it's a push communication or a pull communication. When it comes to app communication, we often talk about two methods, pushing and pulling. Both have its advantages and disadvantages, but there are additional strategies we can explore in the near future, so stay tuned and find out more. As a bonus, here's a tip. If you want to improve cohesion and reduce coupling in your own systems, start by revisiting your test. Ensure that each test focuses on only the public behavior of a module rather than its internals. By doing so, you will naturally encourage better design and decoupling your architecture. Over time, this will lead to fewer bugs, easier maintenance, and more scalable software. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, get notified when new videos are released. I hope you have a nice week, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.